you guys are all doing well. I got Fab Fit Fun today. I always get my boxes so late. It drives me crazy, but this is the 2017 Winter Edition Fab Fit Fun box. This is the newspaper. I already pulled this thing out of the box, but I don't know what products I have because I didn't take enough time to peek through the box. So let's get started. This will be exciting. I did not have time to choose my, you know, they have different sections where you can choose things. You can get either this or you can get that. I missed that window, so whatever they gave me is what I get in this box. So I didn't get to choose anything at all. So here's the box. It's huge for this season. So I'm loving it. I always use their boxes, by the way. I mean, I recycle by using them and repurposing them. It's wonderful. And when you open it up, this is where it was sealed that I busted it open just to grab the thing here. I'm gonna set this down. It's so stinking heavy. But it looks like their charity organization for this box is the American Heart Association. They always give back with these boxes. They are $49.99 for every season. Completely worth that price. You always get over $200 worth in retail value with their products. So I am going to set this up. This magazine is super cool, guys. You get, they tell you, give you some things in here like go to page whatever for the best eyeshadow looks. So obviously there's gonna be some kind of palette in here, huh guys? So go to page 7, page 10, you know, you can, Jillian Michael reveals the biggest workout lie, you know, fun stuff. So it's actually got some really good reading material in here, as well as a price breakdown of all of the products that you get in the box. So if I can set this thing up, that would be great. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, wow, this box's value is anywhere from $373 to $393, almost $400 worth in product for this box. That is amazing. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pull right off the top. This is, it looks like it is a necklace. It says just 8 other reasons. Everybody has reasons for the lovers or the dreamers and for the right reasons. So what is this thing? Okay, it's Point Studio, no, those are socks. 8 Other Reasons is the brand, I guess. 9 Lives Choker in silver color or rose gold color. This is a $58 value. I mean, come on guys. Like really, 58 bucks? Would you guys pay 58 bucks for this? Be honest. I mean, just looking at this. I mean, I guess if it was like an overlay of gold or something, maybe I'd pay that, but this just looks to me like cheap costume jewelry, if I'm being honest. And the packaging is really flimsy, nothing overly special here, guys. So let's see. It's a choker. I don't usually wear chokers either, but I will try it on. So it looks like this is, it just looks like, you know, I don't know what this link is called. I can't think of it, but it is not anything real or anything like that for 58 bucks. It's expensive, don't you think? 58 bucks for this thing? I don't know. I'm gonna try this little guy on. I'm gonna loosen it. I don't want it on as tight as it can probably go. So, I mean, it's pretty, but you guys, you wouldn't, nobody would pay $58 for this little thing. I don't think. So there you go. 58 bucks, and it's probably gonna drive me nuts because these things are gonna keep getting tangled and it's gonna make me cray. So anyways, there it is. I just leave it on at this point, so. It's not horrible, but I'm just saying, you know, sometimes these retail values are just crazy in my opinion. So it's just, okay, a layered choker that looks gorgeous with a plain white tee or a plunging dress. And see here, tip, keep your 9 Lives choker away from perfume and water to avoid discoloration. So it's just like cheapy stuff for 58 bucks. It's quite a lot. Okay, next, right off the top here is Kate Somerville Exfoliate. So how cool is that? This is a 1.7 fluid ounce. I don't know if this is full size or not, but this is a $75 value for this Exfoliate. So I have heard wonderful things about this brand. Oh, and that's cool. It comes with a coupon in here to save $20 plus free shipping. I'm assuming off their website, but I've heard really good things about this. I think this is, this has a cult favorite basically for this exfoliator. So I'm excited to give it a try for sure. So $75 value. And it says to exfoliate twice a week in the shower where the steam will help to activate the enzymes. There must be some enzymes in there. Very cool. All right, next off the top here. Mine is all wet. Something, I don't know, probably froze. This is a deep sleep pillow spray. It says fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. So let's see here. What is this one? Okay, this was one of the items. This was a wellness choice item. So you could have either gotten this or a fitness ball from Jillian Michaels. So I'm glad I got this. I already have a fitness ball, so this is cool. Although mine is maybe broken. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like lavender. So this is pretty cool. Just a little soaking wet. I don't know if it was something else that exploded or if it's this. We'll find out, won't we? So that is a $29 value for the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Next is in here. This is probably the palette, I'm assuming here, guys. If I can get the packaging. This is a lot of times I try to go in these boxes and open them, but it's so late in receiving this box. I really wanted to get it up for you guys if you're interested in it so you can get it before it sells out. So this is from a brand called Dose Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette in either smoky or nude. Looks like I got nude. And so this is what it looks like. It's pretty, huh, guys? So this is, what do you get in this? You get, it says, I guess they're just all eyeshadows. There's just one real big one here that has like a cover over it. I don't know how to get that cover off, but anyways, that is super pretty, huh? I'm glad that I got nude because smoky is colors that I might not have worn as much, so very, very cool. This is a $70 value, so just says new go-to palette is here with 8 matte and shimmer shadows along with 1 highlighter. Okay, it's a big highlighter, it says. So that's not going to be a highlighter color for me. That's really quite dark, actually. It's on the bronzy colored side. But anyways, I got to play with this to get to form a perfect opinion on it. Let's see. The colors in there look gorgeous, so I will definitely use that. Next is a ceramic mug. It's homemade by Aisha Curry. It's a $16 value. This might be like my favorite thing in the whole box so far. I mean, I love mugs. Look at this. It says coming in hot. That's cool. I love that. So like I said, that's a $16 value. There were a choice of 3 different ones. There was coming in hot, there was like a green one, and then a pink one. So I'm glad I got this one. This one's cool. Very cool. So nice. All right. That is a big one. I gotta find a place for it on my counter here. All right, next is from Point Studio. These are aloe infused socks. They're a $19 value, so super, super cool. I love that they're, ooh, they smell nice too, but I love that they're black, gray, and white, because there was either you could have gotten black, gray, and white, or a burgundy color, or a navy blue, and I'm so glad that I got the black, gray, and white, because that's what I would have chosen. Okay, next is this is from Nelson Beverly Hills, another item that could have been a choice. This was the beauty choice. You could have either gotten this or some anti-wrinkle eye masks. So I'm glad that I got this. This is a, okay, it's a hair mask. So this is a $23 value, but I'm glad that I got the hair mask because I really wouldn't have wanted eye masks. I don't use them. So this is from Nelson J. Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Hair Mask in the scent Coconut. So very, very cool. And as you can see with this gnarly hair, I definitely need, oh, it just pulled one of my hairs out. I definitely need hair masks. So that's very, very cool. Love that. Next is from the brand Ahava. This is an elemental beauty from the Dead Sea. It says Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. And it says it's a special size, limited edition. And it says water. Let's see. So a $33 value. It is a mineral hand cream. I wonder what the scent smells like. I hope it's like fresh scent. It says formulated with Dead Sea minerals, witch hazel, and allantoin. Allanton. It will protect your hands all season long. I love hand creams. My hands are so dry, so let's see. It's thick, thick stuff. This might have froze too. I don't know. It's very, very cold here in Michigan. Oh, what is this? That smells, it smells good. It's strong. It reminds me of something like when I was a kid, like maybe like some bath beads or something that my grandma used to have for her tub. I don't know. I smell jasmine in there, I think, because it has kind of a musky smell to it. What does it say here? I'm just looking, you guys, to see if it says what it smells like. Doesn't really say the scent that I can find on here. But anyways, it's not bad. I can definitely use that. I wouldn't use something like this around on my whole body, but definitely on my hands. So that is very cool. All right, and I already told you that's a $33 value. And then the last item in the box is from BB Dakota Poncho. It's in, you could have gotten either black, charcoal, or mulberry. And I think mine must be charcoal. This is a manufacturer suggested retail price of $70. So it looks like I got the gray. Let's see it. We get so many of these like ponchos and stuff in the Fab Fit Fun boxes, so that's pretty cool. So this is nice. Oh, nice. That necklace is already snagging my hair. Anyways, this is nice. I got the charcoal. So it's almost got like, I swear, I don't know if it's my lighting or what, but it's almost like a greenish toned sort of khaki color versus gray, in my opinion. So maybe the gray is the stripe. So anyways, that's everything, guys. That's what I got in my Fab Fit Fun. So if you guys are interested in checking out Fab Fit Fun, I will have a link below to the subscription box, and highly, highly suggest it, guys. You get tons of products that are, you know, 50 bucks for almost 400 bucks this season. So they definitely give you lots of fun products and they spoil us. So it's a fun box. I hope you guys are all doing well. See you soon. Bye.